Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Ahsan Nawaz, PhD scholar from Chicheng Tashwe, and on the request of Mohammad Irfan ये थोड़ी सी मैं जो है अपने यूनिवर्सिटी की डेमो वीडियो आपको दे रहा हूँ. And this is video is for his YouTube channel, and here is the auditorium of our campus, and you can see the library too. And I am moving towards to my department. As you guys can see, actually I am driving my bike, and you can see the location and tempo of the bridge. Here is a lake, and hey guys, it's a playground, table tennis and the volleyball. Here is taxi, and now I am moving towards to my department. Here is the campus bus for the John campus, and in front of you is my department, School of Civil Engineering and Architecture. That is my department in red building. As you guys can see, here is my department. It consists of two buildings, A and B, and here is the main, the entrance of my department. And it's the main road of the university. In front of us, in a white color, a building is called School of Medicine and the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences. It's one of the finest institutes of the China. Hey guys, in front of you is the School of Medicine, and as you can see, both the Zhejiang University School of Medicine, and here is the campus bus.